A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Let's learn the alphabet C today. What's inside Mad Matter? It's alphabet C. Let's write the letter C along the dotted line. C. What's in it this time? There is a lowercase c, lowercase c. What will be in it this time? It is an uppercase C. Once again, write C along the dotted line. Uppercase C. Good job. Guess what lies behind the shadows? It's a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee words have a C in them. C. Chimpanzee. Guess what lies behind the shadows? It is a cheetah. Cheetahs can run fast. There is a C in the word cheetah. C. Cheetah. Let's color. We learned about cheetahs and chimpanzees that contain the letter C. Let's make the alphabet C with Mad Matter. Today, we learned cheetah and chimpanzee with the alphabet C. C. Great job!